Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but not today. Today is What in the World Did I Buy Wednesday. It is not Wednesday, at least I don't think. You're either seeing this on a Wednesday, which if you are, I did it right. And if you aren't, it's probably Sunday. Yeah, I don't know. See, it doesn't quite work. So we're just gonna call it What in the World Did I Buy on Wednesday, even though it's not Wednesday. It's just a bunch of stuff that I wanted to show you, but I don't really have a space in my channel to show you. So it's just randomness that I'm excited about and I wanted to share with you. I do purchase more stuff than just this, but let me know if you like this at the end of the video, if you like seeing stuff like this, because I'm used to showing you like Funko Pops and pins and Disney merchandise and box lunch stuff, but I don't really show you anything other than that. So if you like this, let me know at the end of the video. I know right now you're probably like, I don't like it, you talk too much. You're right, let's get started. Let's hear all about it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this cute little wallet. I got this at the Kate Spade outlet. It has some little pineapples, which mean hospitality, right? But I just think they're so cute. I am going on a cruise over to the Bahamas, so I think it's gonna be so cute for the cruise. It's just little pineapples. It's very simple. It has 3 cards here, 3 cards here. It says Kate Spade there, and it was on sale. Originally it was $90. There's no way about it for $90. I probably paid like $25 for it if I had to guess. I do use these little cardlets a lot. That's not what they're called, but we're just gonna call it that. I use them a lot. They're just really easy to take in and out, and I don't really do cash, so this spot doesn't really matter to me. But yeah, that's the first thing. Moving on to the shoes. As you saw in the thumbnail, I got the Converse, the Peanuts. I love Peanuts because my dad loves Peanuts, and he is a big like Snoopy person, and when we were growing up we would give him a bunch of Snoopy stuff until eventually he's like, okay, I've had enough, and then now we're back to him wanting more Snoopy stuff. But I got some for myself because I love it, because he loves it. It's one of those things. So they are Converse. I've started to get back into Converse. I am more of a Vans girl. You have little Woodstock right here, such a cute box, and then you have Snoopy, and you have a bunch of like the comic strips all over the side of the box. The box itself is just adorable. And then I'm gonna open it up and show you my beautiful shoes. They still have them out. If they do, I will link them below. I did buy them like super quickly because I didn't want it to sell out, but I don't know that there's that many like Snoopy people like going crazy over these shoes. So if you like them, hopefully they're still there. Sorry, box. All right, so the first shoe, the right shoe, the not evil shoe, is Snoopy. Look how cute this is. His little ear goes all the way down here through the sole of the shoe, and so there's his little like paws. Then you have Woodstock flying towards him, these like clouds that I could draw, but not really. And then on this side you have the Converse logo, more clouds. On the back, this was one of my favorite details. Can you tell what this is? Tell me in the comments if you can tell what this is. But I thought it was such a cute detail. And then the inside of the book, or that books shoes, is it's kind of like a Loungefly. So you have little Snoopy and Charlie, and then it says 2022 Peanuts Worldwide, and then inside of it you have more. They're peeking in. How cute is that? So when you're putting your shoe in, they're staring at you. So adorable. And then the other pair is actually different than the one I just showed you. In this one, Snoopy is just sitting down. Again, there's little clouds, which making this like because you can see that there's like flying going on, and if you rotate the shoe you can see what's happening. Woodstock's just like crash landing. So cute. Here it is. It says bonk. Just the detail, and again it's the same thing on the inside with that, and then they peeking in. I haven't had a pair of white sneaks in a while. I had bought them like a regular, and then I saw this collection and I was like, nope, I'm gonna return them and buy these because these were also $75. I cannot wait to wear them. I probably will spray them so that they stay white, but I'm so excited. I will never put shoes on my face like this again, but these are new, so it's fine, right? Yeah, it's fine. I don't know. So excited. Yeah. I asked my mom if I should get some for my dad for Father's Day, and she's like, I don't know about high tops. And I was like, that's what I thought. But Dad, if you're watching this and if they're still there, let me know, because I mean, I already got you something for Father's Day, but maybe Christmas, maybe. Okay, the next pair of shoes, sorry, I'm just like opening it because I'm really excited because I got this today. They are called Vessis. Vessi with a Tessie. Vessi.com. There's a box. And I paid shipping and I paid for quick shipping, which if you are like coming back to my channel, first of all, thank you. I hate paying for shipping. I hate it. I feel like a sucker when I pay for shipping. I don't know why. And handling. Let's not talk about handling. But I paid for shipping and I paid for fast because I need these for my cruise and for Disney World. So I'm gonna open it up and then tell you why I paid for shipping when I usually don't. So you open it up and it says rain or shine, adventure awaits. Then you open it this way, you can see that there's little clouds, more clouds opening that way. Very cute. And then we have cards, which I'll look at in a minute. And then you have the shoes and this like wet drop paper. So the cards just look like this. It's very nice. Welcome to the Dry Socks Club. I think you can kind of tell what kind of shoes these are. It says Vessi. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Could I be mispronouncing this? Is that possible? With me it is. It says give 20, get 20. Share the gift of dry socks. Give your friend $20 off their first pair and get 20 off your next. Hey, that's not bad. I'll put the link below, but there it is, and it says Vessi. Put the link below if you're interested. I just bought them, so I can't fully review them yet. But if you want to wait until after my cruise and see my review, then you can do that. It comes with stickers. Very nice. And then it comes with like a fit guide, care instructions, checklist for some reason. Yeah, I'll have to look at this later, but very nice. And then the actual shoes, which you're actually waiting for. You're like, okay, show me the Vessi or the Vesssi. It's this shoe. Yeah, okay, let's talk about it. As you can tell, hopefully you can tell by now, these are waterproof shoes. That means that you can step in a puddle or I can dip my toe in water and I shouldn't get any water in or on my sock. Now, I got these today. I put them on and the first thing my husband does is spill water on me because he couldn't believe it. And I couldn't believe it, so I kind of wanted to see. My sock was dry and my ankles were like wet here, but not inside. So once I like if this is my skin, the skin that's being covered was dry. It was just this skin that was wet. But yeah, they're really comfortable actually. This part's a little bit snug, but that's so the water doesn't go in. And then I don't think the shoelaces are there for anything. Quite honestly, I think they're just a look. And I think it's because it's like a scuba material. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like a scuba material. I don't know. I'm not a designer, so I don't know what that fabric is called, but neoprene? But there it is. Now they don't have half sizes, so they tell you to size up. So I'm between an 8.5 and a 9, so I sized up to 9. Fit them on. They felt good. I am gonna break these in at Florida, and I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, what are you thinking? But we're gonna go to the cruise first, so I'm gonna break these in on my cruise because I could always just run back to my stateroom and change shoes, right? Like the moment they start being uncomfortable, I run back to my stateroom, change, and then try to break them in the next day again. And I'm gonna try them at the airport because for the same reason, I can sit down, it's not a big deal. My goal is that by the end of my cruise, they're broken in, that I can wear them at Disney World because Florida rains randomly and I hate wet socks. I hate wet socks. Like, you have no idea. Like, I would love to send you to my husband so he can tell you how much I hate wet socks. I hate wet socks. When I go to the bathroom and the floor is wet, my day is ruined. If I go downstairs and the floor is wet from like an ice cube, my day is ruined. Like, I just hate wet socks. So I feel like this is the alternative of taking 2 pairs of socks. Yeah. Now, if you're curious about price, let's talk about price a little bit. Now, I bought these during the Memorial Day sale, so they were 20% off, but originally $150, which is a lot for shoes. I know. But if you wear them 150 days, they're $1 a day. That's how I think about it. I probably shouldn't think about it that way, but I do. So they're 150. I got them with 20% off, and then I got like the extra 10% for being new. So that's why I justified the shipping and the handling and all of that stuff. I will try them on, and then I will review it back with you and tell you if I loved them or hated them, or I'm sure I loved them. I got great recommendations from a friend too. She took them to Hawaii and she said they were great, and she walked and hiked with them and they were great. So I trust her. I don't think she would like deceive me, but yeah, and I'll put the link below if you still want to check them out by yourself. Any of this that I find, I'll link below, but yeah, those are my Vessis. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you in this, what in the world did I buy on Wednesday, even though it's not Wednesday, is this backpack. Now, usually I don't splurge this much on myself. Let me start with that. Like, all of this is new for me because usually, again, if my husband was here, I could ask him. Let's say I want to buy like a shirt, it would take me like trying it on, asking my husband how does it look, taking it home, like doing a Snapchat, showing it to my friend, how does it look, showing it to my mom, how does it look, and then deciding if I want to keep it or not. Like, I am just so logical about everything that I tend not to try to purchase a lot of things for me. But I needed things because I don't have a lot of my spring and summer wardrobe, even though I live in Arizona and I had money saved for it. So that's how I justified all this. But it's not an occurrence that happens all the time. With that being said, let me show you my Longchamp. So this is Longchamp. I don't know how to pronounce this. Longchamp? Longchamp? I say Longchamp. I don't know. Longchamp Paris. It is like, I don't really know if it's a designer bag. I guess some of you will have to tell me if it's considered designer or not. I would put it in the same like category as like Kate Spade and Tory Burch. That's where I would put it. I don't know. They sell them at Nordstrom Rack. They have their own online. But it has like the logo. That's the Longchamp logo. It has like these like pleather like zipper. Here's the logo again. Most of their backpacks have this little keychain. There's the zipper bag. It's really, really nice. It comes with paper right now. And then if I open it, it's very spacious. I was thinking this is going to be perfect for the airport. It has like a zipper pocket and then space inside. And then the handles, shoulder straps are really nice. I don't know if you, I wish you could feel this. Like Mike TV from Willy Wonka. I wish you could just grab it and feel it, but you can't. But yeah, it's really, really nice. Now price wise, originally it was $365 like if you bought it at Nordstrom. I bought it at Nordstrom Rack and it was $199. Like I said, it's expensive. But if I wear it 200 days, it's $1 a day. No, but I am gonna wear it a lot. I'm gonna take it on the airport and then it's probably gonna become my work bag and I'm gonna probably use it every single day of work. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed my first What in the World Did I Buy on Wednesday, even though it's not Wednesday, or maybe it is Wednesday. Let me know what your favorite thing is. If you splurge on yourself here and there, what is like your go-to splurge item? I am trying to reduce my splurging just because a lot of my money is going towards Disney World vacations and cruises and things like that. So when I splurge, it has to be something that I really want and I know I'm gonna wear all of the time. So yeah, I'm curious how you work that out and how you process through purchasing things, because if you could see inside of this mind when I'm like trying to decide if I want to buy something that's more than $20, you would be shocked. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you can see other hauls, normal hauls with Disney stuff, some of our vacations and vlogs and other great content that I have out. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Hopefully you did. And until next time, adios.